sister Zaina. We both live in the UK and we are both going to show you our garden and we hope you really love it. Okay, so this is the pool we had for the last 2 days, and now we took out the air thing, and now all the air's gonna come out. This is the swing we sit on, we relax, we enjoy at the sunny days. We enjoy at the sunny days, we just sit down and just relax and do whatever we want.
So these are all the flowers that my mum put, and there's a lot of plants in our garden as well. Most of them are flowers, but some of them have like fruits and vegetables as well. So once you come out here, there's all this, and my school used to be over there.
We have very nice views and we both love it being in the garden, even in summertime.